Hey, this is Richard from Tropical Breeze. I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about metabolism and how it affects you in your weight gaining or weight loss process. You know, what is metabolism and metabolic rate, things like that. Well, basically, we want to talk about metabolism as your everything your body does to make things run, like your brain function, your organs function, and cell splitting and things like that. And what affects metabolism is the different parts of your body. And basically, we'll just keep it simple and we'll divide your body into two parts, fat and not fat. Non-fat includes muscle, skin, and bones, and organs, and your brain, and things like that. And the only thing that actually uses calories in your body is the non-fat portion of your body. So when we're talking about metabolic rate, we're talking about the amount of calories your body needs to just do those basic functions and keep yourself going without any exercise or anything like that. So with that in mind, calories not being consumed by fat, then the more non-fat percentage of our body, the more calories we're going to burn, or the higher our metabolic rate. So there's different things that we can do to try and increase lean muscle mass, or the non-fat portion of our body. And when we do that, we'll use more calories just walking around every day, and we'll burn more of the fat. So that's metabolic rate. And then let's talk about what we can do with our food in order to increase our metabolic rate. You hear everybody talking about counting carbs and calories and things like that, and those are all good, but carbs are good too. There's good carbs and bad carbs. Like a bad carb would be like a spoonful of sugar. If you just shoot a spoonful of sugar down your throat, you're going to get a good energy boost, and it's going to last you maybe 10 minutes. So if you need, to go take a quick quiz or something at school, eat a piece of candy or something and get that super shot of sugar, and it'll last you just long enough to take a pop quiz in class and get a good score. It's good brain food, but it really serves no other function than that. So then we look at carbohydrates like fruit and vegetables. Now, we know fruit and vegetables is good for us, but as far as energy, it's only going to take care of filling full for like about an hour. I'm not suggesting not to eat fruit and vegetables. I'm just saying it's not everything you need. You can't eliminate lean protein from your diet. So what does lean protein do? Okay, if you just had a lean protein diet, and the one that comes to mind is like an Atkins diet, it's going to make you feel fuller longer, maybe 3 hours. But really, if you were to combine the lean protein and the carbohydrates, we call that a balanced diet, then you're going to stay full 3 or more, maybe 4 hours, which is the average American. We go to work and we get 4 hours before we get our break for food. So a balanced diet is what we're after, and that's where the Herbalife shakes come in handy for us, because they've already figured out the balance between the carbohydrates and the protein. 2 scoops of healthy meal and 1 scoop of protein. There's your balanced meal. It's portable, it's easy, and you can pre-plan it each day with the Tupperware program. You hear me talk about it all the time down here. It's how I leave the house with all my meals every day. So metabolic rate, it's important, and now we know why it's important. It's that some of our body doesn't use any calories at all, and we can control that by increasing the size of the other part of our body. So let's work on lean muscle mass. All right, have a great day. Thank you.